Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain news. Grain markets are higher overnight. Soybeans up almost 30 cents, corn 10, wheat up 26 cents. The outside markets, you've got the crude oil higher, dollar lower, and stocks are going to open up higher. In the grains, I think we're dealing with the four same issues every day, but this time the glass is half empty and prices are higher. First of all, starting Monday for 2 weeks, we're going to see warm and dry conditions across the U.S. Midwest. I think the corn crop is far enough along that we may not see a complete drop in severe yields from the USDA's 177, but given the tight global supply and U.S. supply of corn, any drop is probably friendly to the corn market. Farmers not selling. EU crop has also been hurt, and EU may now be, instead of a net exporter of corn, a net buyer of corn. They're also probably going to feed more wheat domestically to make up for the shortfall in corn. Still a lot of uncertainty as far as how much corn is going to be shipped from Ukraine. One vessel may be shipped today, but there is concern about insurance. Lloyd's said they would take the risk, but some vessel owners may not be interested in loading boats, even with insurance. So that market is supportive. In the wheat market, the crop tour found one of the highest yields of spring wheat in the U.S. since 2015. But also we're concerned about Black Sea wheat exports and just where buyers who are short are going to buy wheat. Again, I think wheat is undervalued and probably needs to firm up a little bit more given the fact that wheat world supplies are tight. In soybeans, it's pretty much all about weather. 2 weeks of dry weather might bring the U.S. crop down from where USDA is currently forecasting it. Soybean crush margins domestically are very firm, which increases demand there. And eventually, I think China or end users are going to have to come in and buy U.S. beans before the next South American harvest. But there was also a bill passed in the House that will allow for increase in biofuel demand. If that bill passes and is signed, it could help soybean oil. So soybean oil is up to 60 cents a pound on futures, and that is also high from the 55-cent low. Matif rapeseed's higher, Canada canola is higher, and the Dalian soybean oil and palm oil futures are also higher, partly because maybe there might be a little bit better demand down the road for vegetable oil, but also this new bill that would increase demand. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM, AD Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like yourself would like to be treated.